Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders Monday Market Watch. Guys, before I go on to the news, I am going to go quickly and discuss some of these items or these trades that we are looking at this afternoon. My name is Ngobegom Tiana, and today we are going to be looking at some couple of trades that we are looking at. So if you are new in this channel, please like and comment and subscribe to this channel, and let us know how can we help you also, or tell us your views also. What do you think on this a couple of trades that we are looking at here? Okay, awesome stuff. Without any waste of time, I'm gonna go quickly, and I am going to look at GBP USD. So GBP USD has been in a beautiful rally in terms of what we've been looking at in the market. And on our previous video, we have looked at GBP USD, and we have said that GBP USD is in a beautiful form, right? We did mention that GBPSD has been retracing, and we're expecting a bounce, and then GBPSD move towards the top side, right? Cool. But there's something that we also shared yesterday, that when this market breaks towards the top side, and break this structure, we are going to be looking for a buy opportunity in this particular case. Before I send this opportunity in the group, let me go quickly and buy in this market and put a safe stop loss of at least for 40 pips in this particular case. And then I will be monitoring the market here, and yeah, I'll be monitoring. Now, there's a couple of reasons why we are buying GBPUSD, right? If you check on our previous video, we measured the retracement in this particular case, and GBPUSD bounced off nicely on the 61.8 and started climbing on the 50 last night, and now it's above the 38.2, which I believe from 38.2 we are moving all the way up to the 0% retracement. Yeah, if that's how we call it. Cool. So the stop loss in this particular case is 40 pips in my case. Now, 40 pips from my entry is 1.38604, and my take profit is approximately 100 pips, which is 1.40050. Okay, cool stuff. Now let's go quickly and look at the dollar index, right? So we know that the dollar index has been, expected, as we discussed yesterday, that you're expecting the dollar index to receive or to gain a little bit of strength, right? If the dollar index gain strength, that means that across all currencies we are looking to see, or most of the currencies we are looking to see US dollar gaining strength, right? In this particular case, as you can see, the dollar hasn't broken this beautiful trend line that we are seeing here. Yes, this is a substantial low that we are seeing here, especially if you look at it on a 4-hour perspective. Let me go quickly highlight that. On a 4-hour perspective, when you just leave this, just adjust it perfectly, you can see that this level has been that, beautiful level where market come and bounce at. And look at our previous analysis on a weekly market analysis, excuse, on what we discussed on this particular index right here. So a bounce in this market. What I can go ahead and do now is to look for a buy limit order at this level, right? If market just fail for the first time here, then come and bounce to this level and then shoot up, so that this market will catch me. Or in this market, I will be caught buying. So this is going to be a buy limit order. I'm going to select new order, and then under new order, I am going to select pending, and then the type of order is going to be buy limit. My price for this one is going to be 90704, which is at price 90704. 704, and then my stop loss in this particular case will be 90 It will be a little bit lower. 90 90620 90620 620 620. Then take profit one is going to be 91.100. Now take profit two, which is our ultimate, is going to be 91.400. I'm going to use 91.400. 91 400. Then boom. Okay, they say invalid stop loss and take profit. Okay, stop loss is 90. It's buy limit at I don't know what's wrong with this order. Let me start adjusting and see. Trade is disabled. Okay, cool. I don't know what's the problem on this one, but I'll look at it closely. I think what they're looking to see is for me to put one lot. Trade is disabled. Okay, I'll have a look at this one. But that is what you're looking at. The breakout, I've never traded on this broker. I've never traded the index on this broker, so I'll find out what's the problem. So this is what's busy going on. We're expecting market to rise at least 60 pips towards the top side in this particular case right here. Then and then there's this one, Euro USD. Euro USD, those who took a sell limit order that I called out yesterday are now probably in profit. But if you haven't, right now I am taking a sell on Euro USD, right? First of all, I'm going to take a sell limit or a sell instant execution, a sell, okay, cool, with a stop loss of at least 30 pips, okay, and then I am going to put a sell limit order. Okay, let me put a take profit first. Take profit of 90 pips, and then sell limit in this particular case will be at we're doing it once again. Sell limit will be at 1.2162, and then the stop loss should be 1.21 362. That is 30 pips from here, and then our take profit should be 1.2, right? That is possible also. Awesome stuff. And then let's look at XAUUSD. Now XAUUSD is showing some signs of breaking out. Even though I took this trade early, I'm not advising you guys to take it as early as me, because this entry was very, very early, premature. We call it a premature entry. But if markets continue holding below these levels, we are going to see XAUUSD, which is gold, going all the way down towards the downside, right? So I'm expecting this market to push a little bit further down on XAUUSD. Right, then USD JPY, the structure there was broken last night, so I don't want to be trading USD JPY at this moment. I want to wait until it breaks some beautiful structures on a 1 hour time frame, so that I'll be sure that this thing is following protocol and order, right? Cool stuff. And then what else am I looking for? USD CHF. USD CHF bounced off nicely on these beautiful levels yesterday. Unfortunately, I wasn't awake to partake on this trade. I had a massive headache last night, so I couldn't do anything. This was a beautiful trade that we called out yesterday. If you took it, you should be in profit, and you should be positioned nicely in profit. USD CAD is one of those who are not performing or doing well, but they just broke. USD CAD just broke towards the downside. So I'm not looking to trade this one anytime soon. If you have taken this one, I hope you have used proper risk management in place here. Okay. Cool. And then there is this one which is called ADUSD, which pushed further above the previous levels and continued towards the top side, which was a little bit of a disappointment in terms of the structure that we are looking at. But it's okay. That's how market does sometimes. You know, it pushes towards the opposite direction, the one opposite direction than you expected. But we are going to be monitoring this trade. There is a possible entry on these levels, right? Just these levels that we have just recently saw here, right? These levels have been quite significant over the last couple of days. So we might be looking to sell once again when markets reach those levels. So is there anything on Euro CHF? There is nothing on Euro CHF. Euro JPY, we spoke about arranging markets on Euro JPY, and that is what we want to be following and tracking in this place, right? Or in this particular case, right? So this in this market, I am looking to see to do, you know, to look into trade in this market when it reaches towards the top side. But there is also other entry levels which are possible, such as this one right here, which should be very, you know, should be very significant levels, especially if you look at on a 15-minute time frame, and then you do what? You use your Fibonacci retracement level or retracement tool and see that we are just at the 61.8 at the moment right now, right? Cool. So that is where we expect that the market will start bouncing at and going towards the downside. Let me just go quickly and take a sell on this one. Even though there's no confirmation yet that this market is going to be turning around, I'm going to change my lot size to lot size 0.1. 0.1. Okay, I'm going to be selling this market, and then this, come on. Okay, my stop loss is exactly 15 pips above, which I'll share with you now. Let's just share with you now. So my stop loss is at 130.618, and then my take profit I'll put all the way down to these special levels, which is 1.129. Look at these levels. So those previous lows towards the downside, which is this one, 129.782, 129.782, 129.782, 129.782, 129.782. Okay, modify. Boom. Okay, cool. Let's look at the ratio. We're willing to win $62 and lose $14 in this particular case. So it's a good risk reward ratio, right? Cool. Euro GBP, I'm not looking to partake. ADJPY, we have missed this one. It's been moving quite the way we've been expecting over the last couple of days, but it's you know. So the other one we should look out for now is this particular trade, right? So this is CAD CHF. CAD CHF has just broken out, and I'm expecting at least on a 1 hour time frame to see market retracing back to these previous levels, and then we start buying in this case, right, on CAD CHF. Cool. So we need to monitor this one, and then the Euro AUD, nothing much. let's look at Nasdaq, right? NZD CAD and stuff like that. Let's see. NZD CAD has been a disappointment also if I look at how things are. But let's look at the structure here on NZD CAD. If you look at the structure that the market has been following for quite some time, you can see that we have a substantial or a beautiful some sort of support zone here, which the market has just broken, right, towards the downside. So what we can expect is a little bit of a break towards the downside and substantial break where markets will continue towards the downside in this particular case right here. So I'm expecting that in this particular market. And then there is Nasdaq, the Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, there is this beautiful level that I'm looking at the moment to buy Nasdaq at, right? So we're seeing a beautiful sort of a turnaround here. So I'll be looking to buy exactly at this level where at 138, 5946, right? That is where I'll be looking to buy and monitoring this market. Okay, cool stuff. That is what I'm busy looking at in the market. And then you know that we want to trade Nasdaq at specific times and use some cheat codes in the market. So let's look at how things are going. What is this? This is GBPUSD, still not yet in profit. And then index has just broken out. Index has just broken out. Trade is disabled. I don't know why am I not able to trade the index here. And then oh, Euro USD is now in profit and XA USD is in profit also. And then yeah, those are the beautiful trades that you are busy looking at. Let me quickly send this video to you so that you guys can enjoy it, and let's have some fun in the market. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Ngubeko Mtiane. Shalom. Like, subscribe, and share this video.